Earth Day is today. It's been celebrated for 45 years. And here to talk about the latest green innovations is, of course, King County EcoConsumer Tom Watson. We have to have you here on Earth Day, Tom.
Happy Earth Day. Yes. Everyone loves an environmentalist on Earth Day. I love being here.
That's right. We also have UW student Caitlin Cramer and sculptor Travis Pond with us. Thanks, both of you, for coming in. Special guests of yours here, Tom. Travis, I wanted to start with you because I'm standing by this incredible sculpture. Tell me a little bit about this. Is this just scrap metal?
It's all scrap metal. It's got bike gears, spoons, bullet casings. They all get cut up into smaller pieces.
Oh, I see.
On
That's
the
the end of a spoon, yeah.
And then they get larger, and then bike rims.
How did you get started on doing something like this?
I started nearly 20 years ago, and it was just the immediacy of the welding and the materials themselves, the industrial quality of steel.
Yeah.
And, I'm a maker. I have to make things.
It is beautiful. You must sell these. Tom, you must be amazed, really happy when you see somebody taking what would be waste and turning it into something so lovely.
I discovered these when I walked by the Brian Ono Gallery in the International District, right, where these are exhibited. And Brian is here with us and brought this in. And there's some huge ones. There's a picture of the elk,
right,
that they can see.
I'll show here. This is you right down here, really small, so that gives us the perspective of how big that one is. Amazing. So, Caitlin, I know that you're an engineering and material science grad student at UW, and you were part of this team in the Student Environmental Innovation Challenge. Tell us what your team put together.
So we were a group of 4 students from material science, like you said, working with the Clean Energy Initiative over at UW. And what we decided is that solar energy is just too expensive. And we wanted to find a way to allow everyday people to really take advantage of the great things that solar energy can do for us. And so we developed the Flex Solar blinds. And so what these do, these actually have a polymer solar cell on one side, and we make that in our lab using what's called roll-to-roll manufacturing. And if you've ever seen how newspapers are printed,
right,
with ink deposited on these big rollers, that's how we print these solar cells. Wow. And it's really, really cool stuff. And what we tried to do for this product is combine that solar energy with LED lights so that we could have a great way to give clean energy for household lighting.
Tom, do you think this is the future?
Absolutely. There are so many great innovations in that environmental challenge at the UW, and this has there's a lot going on with this flexible solar lighting. It is absolutely the future.
And I know you wanted to show us a product real quickly.
Yes, yes, the last one. So it's art and science innovations, and this one is also a student creation originally from students at Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh. It's called the SPEC, and it's a air quality monitor that anybody could buy if they are worried about their kids having asthma, wanting to know about the air quality in their home. It's very simple to use. We have it running to test the air quality in your studio. It's moderate.
Are we okay? Oh,
well,
moderate. Okay.
Good would be a little better, but moderate is all right.
We'll see what we can do.
And so it's $200, but if you wanted to see, when the air quality was worse in your home and try to figure it out, it could be super helpful. Those are on back order now, but they're available online for $200. I think they're going to be helpful to families right here in Seattle.
Yeah, great innovations. Tom, thank you so much. Happy Earth Day to everybody. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you.
For more information on all of this, go to our website, KOMOnews.com, and click on the Hot Links tab. A special session has been called by the governor, and a robocall targeting